Hey YouTube. This is me after surgery. I just went in. I came out of the I have 3 incisions. My mouth is extremely dry. I sucked on 2 pieces of ice cubes. And pain is very minimal. I'm going to say it's not bad at all. I was expecting something a lot more. My TV is on. Kind of cool. And my sister waited patiently for me. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for the anesthesia to get out of my system so they can release me. And I have the what they call it, thermometer or something. This is to help you get the anesthesia out of your system. You're supposed to blow into it. And it's supposed to basically check the gauge of your lungs. It says people who tend to have laparoscopic surgery, they don't want to breathe in because they expand their stomach and it hurts their stomach. So this helps. Okay.